Hello friends, I am back. This is my passion of January. Today we're making a candy cane. It's a beautiful one and mine be better. See you in the next video. Bye. Hello everyone. So this is everything we need. First you need some chocolate fudge. Next you need some eggs. And next you need some confetti vanilla frosting. You need 3 of them. And then you need veggie Oreo. And then you forgot the one spraying. And we have Snickers, Twix, 3 Musketeers, and Big Play. And then pieces. And then we have M&M's, and we have 4 king-size Kit Kats from the sun. And we're coming to here. So we have the mixing bowl, measuring cups, and a cake stuff. And to start cooking, we're making a cake. This is the ingredients you need. Red stuff right here. This dry stuff. I'm gonna crack the eggs first. Shoot. I hate you. Wash my hands. Next, we need to put the wet stuff inside here. Don't get even for dust, please. And next, we're going to put these inside here. And we have to put the water. It's a push. And next, we're going to blend the eggs to the cake. And next, we have to stick it down and pop it up. Okay, next we have the greaser because we have cooking spray things for my dad. We have the greaser of mixing big circles and put the size. Even the sprinkle salt. And then next, we have to put this in 2 cake bowls. I'm gonna use my palette. Now we're done. We have decided to heat 350 fever, and we're gonna set timer 25 minutes. And we go to the onion. Caution, use a pen when you go to the onion, or you want to blade like me, go to the onion. Warning. And let's go to the next one. We're done. We have to check it. It's wet, it's not good. It's clean, it's good. It's clean. Now we have to cool it down and put in the freezer in an hour. See you in the next video. Bye. Next, I have to put this cookie cutter inside the center. And I'm gonna use my magic. Now we start building a cake. Now we done about cutting the holes of the cookie thing. Next, we have to frosted each one. I used Magic Hollywood. Thank you. We done frosting it. Now we add some decoration. Now, kids, we done our frosting. Now we are gonna get a lot of candy inside the hole. Wow! Kids love candy. Now we are done our crumb coat cake. We decorate tomorrow and stay here in overnight 24 hours. See you in next day. I hope you enjoy it, Bloom 16. Next, we are doing our last dose of frosting. Let's spread it around. Trust me, frosting makes flip. It's thick. Let's make a blob. I like blobs. Now we done frost the last dose and let's time to decorate it. Let's put a roll of Snickers. I'm hungry. You're hungry, guys. I love cakes. Now we sprinkle some M&Ms. And now, let's use my powers. Now we're done of the cake. It's beautiful. And time to cut the cake. It's bad. Guys, watch this. One, two, three, get a cake. Okay. Ooh. It's on TV. You feel fun. Look, you're fun. Right now, this is the final cut. I'm gonna put this down and dig in. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next month. The cake is cutting right now. Bye-bye.